Here's a pair of the LinkBuds Fit earbuds. I'm going to show you how to connect to one device. Then I'm going to show you how to connect to two devices at the same time. Then I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. So first I'm going to connect to my Android phone. Here is a Samsung Galaxy A14, I think, and the second phone I'll connect to is my iPhone 16e. So we'll start off on this one here first. So connect this Android phone first. Let me just open these up. And then from here, I'm going to go to my settings, my Bluetooth settings. I'm going to go to connections here. And then make sure Bluetooth is turned on. So let me tap on Bluetooth. And then if it's in pairing mode, it should show up right down here, okay? Okay, it's not showing up for me, and that little spinny thing is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me, and it should show up down here under available devices. It's not showing up. Let me just manually put this into pairing mode. That button's right here on the back. Leave the lid open. I'm gonna press and hold that button. Just keep holding until I get a blue blinking light, all right? Still holding here. Okay, blue light. Put it back down. Now it's in pairing mode. And now the scan looks like it stopped. So let me go ahead and click on scan again. Oops. Let me turn it on. Bluetooth is on. And now it's scanning. That little thing is spinning. And now it found the LinkBuds Fit right there. So let me tap on that right there. If you get a pop-up on a Samsung phone, you can go that way. If not, you can just go through the settings like this way. And you get a pairing request here for Android phones. I'm going to click on pair. And voila, we're connected for calls now on this phone. Now, we're paired to this phone, okay, right here. Now let's go ahead and pair to this phone, okay? So we're listening to music or whatnot on here, but now we want to listen to the music or YouTube videos on here from using the earbuds, okay? So now on this phone here, let me go to settings. This is my iPhone, Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and under devices here, that little spinny thing is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me, okay? These earbuds are not going to show up here because we're already paired to this Android phone, okay? So what I got to do here is, let me just go ahead and press and hold that button again. Ready, set, go. Just keep holding until we get a blue flashing light again, all right? So still holding the button on the back. Okay, blue light. Let's put it down here, and then let's see if it found it. It did find it right there, so we're going to tap on that right there. And now we're connected. So if I listen to music or watch YouTube videos, the audio is going to come out of these buds, okay? Now, if I grab this phone, now remember we're paired to both of these phones, okay? So if I grab this phone now and I go to YouTube or listen to music, now the buds are going to come, or the audio is going to come out to the buds from this phone, okay? Now, let's do a factory reset. Let's say you had issues pairing or connecting, or maybe the right side's not working, or one side is getting static, or both sides are getting static. Maybe it keeps disconnecting, or maybe it's out of sync. Anyway, factory reset's very simple, okay? Simply have the lid open, and on the back here, we have that button again, okay? But this time, we're gonna make sure the lid is open. We're gonna press and hold this button. This time, we're gonna wait until it blinks orange, and then it stops, okay? Not the blue light, we want orange, okay? So, ready, set, go. Press and hold that button, and it's going to be like 25-30 seconds, okay? So just keep holding here. Wait till we get an orange. Okay, it's blue. I'm still holding onto the button there. Just ignore that. Continue to hold. Still holding here. Now it's turning orange. Now wait for the orange light to stop. Still holding. Okay, it stopped. Now go ahead and let go. Now we just factory reset these. Now really quickly, since we just factory reset these and we were both paired to both of these phones, if you want to connect back to the same phone that you were paired in before you did a factory reset, you have to go to, again, we're going to go to settings, go to connections. We want to go to Bluetooth connections, and then make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and then tap on Bluetooth so we can reconnect back here. Okay, now it said paired devices. Remember, it was paired before the factory reset. So what we have to do here is we have to click on the settings here, and then we have to go down to unpair, basically deleting it from our paired list, okay? So unpair, okay? Now, I can go ahead and connect back to this device here, okay? Let me just scan it again, and let's see if it pops up on here. Okay. If it doesn't pop up, then you have to manually put it back into pairing mode. Let me press and hold that button. Just keep holding until it turns blue again. Still holding. Okay, now it's blinking blue. And then let's go back on here. Like I said, you can connect through the app here. If not, you can just click on back. We're going to scan it and then wait for it to show up there. There it is. And now we can go ahead and connect back. Again, we'll get a pairing request here. I'll connect it. And the same thing for the iPhone here too. Okay, if I wanted to connect back to this iPhone, I just have to go to settings and then Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Okay, and then under my devices, see, it was paired before. Okay, so I have to click on the I, and then on the iPhone is forget this device. Android phone is unpaired, so I would have to forget this device, and then I can go ahead and pair it back. All right, I just have to put this back into pairing mode, and then it'll show up down here, and then I can connect to my iPhone again as well. Then I'll be connected to both of these phones. Anyway, pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below.